Max is driving. I'm scared.
The time has come for us to drive to Dairy Queen.
Okay, I should probably do a better intro. Hold on.
Hey, yo, guys.
Okay, you can edit this.
Where are the pedals?
We're in the cave.
Forward.
As he's fighting with the door.
Forward. Forward now. Okay. I think I got this. Reverse is up. Drive is forward.
I'm trying to do the intro, Max.
All right.
You're happy.
Oh.
I wish.
Okay, I'm gonna vlog. Max is fighting with a vehicle.
What is this music? Oh, listen to this. I just gotta listen to my nav.
This is our little Cape vlog. Welcome to our first vlog. Max, say hi.
Howdy.
Be nice.
Hi.
We're going to Dairy Queen first because I haven't had Dairy Queen in so long.
Never had it before.
You've never?
Oh, wow. Big surprise. Okay.
So, we are just going to Dairy Queen and then we're going to the mall, specifically Best Buy, get some more gadgets.
We are driving.
And we'll
forward.
see where the day takes us. And he's struggling to turn. And that's what's going on.
Aha.
So.
Look at me.
Okay, let's not distract him.
Sorry.
Bye.
Bye.
Cake batter, cookie dough, and what is blue?
Because of Superman? I don't know. America? Something?
Is it cotton candy? I don't know.
Oh, yes. That must be it.
There you go. He's never had Dairy Queen.
There's this one guy in my school bus like years ago when I still went to the bus.
No?
And this guy would bring
Yes.
a boil of
Us?
eggs on the bus
Thank you.
every day. And you could tell you were getting and you could tell you were like the day
You like it? Where are we off to now, Max?
You'll Best Buy. Sorry, Best Buy.
Yes. Best Buy. So, we'll see when we get there. Look, it's the Best
Oh, no. Newberry Comics? We got a Newberry Comics? We're going in.
This is important. These are all the popular ones.
What do you mean? You see more?
How did we stumble into this?
Don't know.
Like,
So,
these little guys are always sold out.
they are?
I don't know what they are.
They're,
That one seems really popular.
you're a twinkle. They have Steamboat Willy, though.
Yes. This is. No. Oh.
I'm sorry. No?
I love it. These are adorable. These are the sandwiches. Auntie Anne's lemonade and pepperoni pizza pretzels. Must emphasize that this is glorious. Max is super excited because he gets to do the honors today.
It's quite unusual. What I like, first of all, is the music note is on the tab from which you pull. There's a very nice detail there. Let me just do that.
Oh, do you
See?
tell 'em what it is?
Oh, sorry. Steamboat Willy. Options could be click, drop, beep, crank or crash, splash, dingling, or thump. I want to get thump.
Thumb? Let me see thumb.
He's got some drumsticks.
Good. I want.
This one?
Yeah.
Drop, beep.
I want that one. Let's see. All of them are pretty cool though.
That's pretty true. Well,
Is blocking. What is it?
Oh, that just kind of gave it away,
Oh,
didn't it?
they always put the what it is at the bottom. Max loves opening his little blind. Did you get the one you wanted? He's so happy.
He's got the drumsticks.
Look at you, you got blind box luck. At least we got one we wanted. It's always a bummer when you don't. Oh my gosh, I love it.
Wait, it's not complete. See? Look, it comes with... Oh, look, he plays the... This is what it comes with.
I love Steamboat Willy. Max found a Vera Max's new park bag.
Hey, yo, guys. We're going to Dunky this morning.
I got the iced coffee with cookie dough and cream and sugar and cold foam.
I got a medium iced mint chip signature latte. 3 mint chip swirls, 1 milk, 1 whipped cream, 1 mocha drizzle, and 1 waffle cone pieces.
Yeah.
Delicious.
That sassy one, that little kid Wait, you go, because I think I know. It's blue slushy, vanilla ice cream, graham cracker, and little gummy sharks on top.